Hello from Singapore. We're at the Singapore FinTech Festival, which is one of the world's largest gatherings of fintechs, financial services companies, regulators, and everybody involved in financial services, including consultants. We've had an amazing time here meeting people with the most incredible ideas, a lot of cutting-edge innovation, and a lot of forward-thinking ideas of how to innovate and take the industry to the next level. The future of finance is here today, and we're going to show you what it's going to do for us.
With Prepaid Pathfinder, really leveraging digitization and AI to make relationship managers' job with their investment client so much better. What the system does is it actually listens to the conversation and listens and hears what the client is saying, and what it is able to do is leverage the client's current holdings, the company's CIO views, and make a recommendation in instant time. And whether it's a question on what's the direction of the market and hearing the CIO views, or what should I do now? What's the next best thing for me in terms of my portfolio? And so really what it does is then helps incredibly in giving instant customized advice that the client can use and take action on immediately.
We've had glass-based products for a while, but this time they're promising me that I can make payments using glasses. So I'm now scanning the QR code, and it's now asking me to say that pay $1 Singapore. It's now actually confirmed my payment, so I have to now say confirm. And now the payment is done. It's even given me the exchange rate to the Hong Kong currency. There you go. The future is here.
I was in the bond market my entire life. And the minimum denomination of a bond is $200,000. People can buy a Ferrari, but can't buy a bond. So 10 years ago, we started this company, and we now sell bonds in $1,000 denomination by using tokenization.
So we're now at Six Estates, a company founded in Singapore that came out of the National University of Singapore, which has developed an SME lending tool that allow faster decision making for banks to be able to make quicker decisions, safer decisions, and more volume of decisions, so that SME lending becomes easier by analyzing a lot of documents and a lot of the cash flows of these companies to be able to make lending decisions.
The adoption of digital financial services, in my humble opinion, is going to be the problems we are going to have with scams, frauds, and deep fakes is actually a showstopper, unfortunately. I have a view which actually worries me that we're really going to come to a standstill because the speed at which fraud and scam is growing, right? Our ability to fight is not growing. Last year, scams crossed $1 trillion itself, and that was just the revealed number. The real number could be twice as much. So what you will see is how easy it is now to create deep fake, right, in a festival. Now imagine if more technology was to be implemented on it.